Hi, this is Jay from Group 3 Class IT4A Free Elective 2. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use a buzzer with LED using Raspberry Pi. The expected output is that the buzzer and LED must alternate when activated in a loop. This is the things that we're gonna need in this project. A buzzer, a LED, 2 female to male red jumper wire, 1 female to male black jumper wire, 2 male to male black jumper wire, and a breadboard. This is the schematic of the project and the link of it in the description. First is to place the buzzer and LED on the breadboard. Connect the 2 red jumper wires to the positive end of the buzzer and LED. This will be connected respectively to GPIO 18 and 14 that connect the ground on the negative end. And finally link the 2 grounded wires. This is the code for the project. Buzzer is set at GPIO 18 and LED is set at GPIO 15. We use while loop for looping. The loop is started by setting the buzzer at high while LED is set at low. With a difference of 1 second, the buzzer is set back at low and LED is set at high. Within 1 second, the loop will start. The expected outcome is that the buzzer and LED will activate alternately by 1 second. This is the tutorial on how to use buzzer using Raspberry Pi. From Class IT4A Free Elective 2.